There was a dude who was caught, man caught on highway playing Pokemon Go on 8 phones. Now, I know Vin likes this type of story because he's a big Pokemon Go guy. Anytime somebody gets caught playing Pokemon Go, he thinks it's hilarious. Well, I didn't even know people were still playing this game. Well, I thought...
It's big, man.
No, the hype. I remember the hype. When it came out, I remember.
Still going.
It's still going. Mm-hmm. As far as you know, it's still going.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know anyone in real life that's playing this game?
Maybe Kirk?
Get out of here.
No.
Kirk is still playing Pokemon Go?
Sorry, Kirk.
I don't know. Let me tell you something.
Not a lot of
when it was at its peak, it was wild, man. Everybody in the street, everyone's looking at their phone. It was crazy. Well,
yeah.
For this guy, this dude on the highway, it's still crazy. He was in Washington, and he was on the side of a very busy highway, State Route 518 near the airport. And Trooper Rick Johnson, the Washington State Patrol, he pulled up alongside it because it's unusual to see a car parked on the side of a busy highway. And when he approached, he noticed these 8 devices sitting on it. And look, it looks like he's got a special contraption with cutouts for each phone. He's got like a grid that the phones fit in so he can be actively playing them all on the passenger seat. This guy. And so he's got the 8 phones laid out and they're all logged into Pokemon Go. And the sergeant walks up. He's like, what are you up to, man? What's going on here on the side of a busy highway in broad daylight? Like, what has to happen in your life, Will, that this ends up, this is what, like if I imagine, Will, I see you on the side of the road and I'm like, hey, that's Willie Doo. Let me go check on him. And you're doing something like this. What should I do? What should my response? Do I need to do you need help? Do I have to talk to some people?
You would probably have to drive away because I would have to defend these Pokemon.
Is that how it works?
Things. Yeah, you have to defend your Pokemon area.
So you would just scream at me, get out of here. I don't need your help.
I apologize. I don't know the term, but yeah, you're supposed to battle other people.
Right, okay.
And defend your...
But why is he on the side of the highway? Can you tell me that?
I think there's like a spot there that either there has to be like a rare Pokemon that he has to catch, or he has to be there for other people to battle him.
Well, the reason I'm saying that my brother loves this story is because a while back he sent me this story of this guy in a nearby neighborhood who was driving around in circles in like a Mercedes or a BMW or something. Yeah. And the cops were in the helicopter and they're like, we don't know what this guy's up to. Because he was going around within this neighborhood in circles. They're like, it's got to be a criminal. He's looking to do some trouble right now. Because it was so sporadic and unusual, the behavior. They hadn't seen it before. I think it was on City News. And so the cops got the helicopter on the guy. And then you can hear the call. They actually published the phone call, or I guess the radio transmission between the cops. They're like, we got to... presumably the man is he says he's playing Pokemon Go, sir, sergeant, whatever it might be. And so it's obviously not the first time. This type of stuff happened all over the world. And I mean, it's an interesting topic in the sense that they hide these things all over the real world. And look, here's a guy playing in a car right here. World's #1 Pokemon Go player.
Yeah, he has like a crazy regimen. I watched this video like a year ago. It's
So you got a lot of people driving around trying to play.
Stand around and they catch Pokemon.
I just thought people weren't doing it anymore. That's just what I thought, but apparently not. This guy is still into it, and he's going 100%. He's going 100% after it still, and he's on the side of the highway. Anyway,